My name is Rishi Gogineni. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with OrthoVirginia. I mainly treat patients with hip and knee pain and arthritis. I specialize in total hip and knee replacements, and I've incorporated robotic technology into my surgical treatments. For some patients, we can even do these on an outpatient basis, meaning they can go home the same day. I can also guide patients through their illness or their condition, and if they need a treatment that's not in my specialization, I can have them see one of my partners and collaborate. That's the advantage of OrthoVirginia. A little bit about me. I used to live and work in California, but my wife and I have chosen to move back home to Virginia to be closer to our parents now that our family has grown. We have 4 kids under the age of 4, as well as an old chocolate lab with puppy energy. It's very busy in our house, but we also have a lot of fun. I actually come to work to take a break. My wife and I love to travel, and we love to see new places and new cultures. I obviously can't right now, but hopefully one day we can again. If you need to see me and you feel that I may be of help, you can find me at our Stone Springs office or at our brand new Ashburn office.